Hello, GlowFit fam. Welcome to day 4 of your GlowFit Guide 30-day challenge. Today, we're diving into an energetic bodyweight cardio session that will leave you feeling unstoppable. This workout is split into 3 stages: sprint, maintain, and endure. Each stage challenges your speed and endurance differently. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Stick around till the end because every second counts when building a healthier you. Let's go. Stage 1. Sprint 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Our first stage is sprint. This is where you go all out full speed ahead. Each exercise lasts 30 seconds, followed by a 30-second rest. Let's ignite that calorie burn. Exercise 1. Run in place. Start running in place, bringing your knees as high as possible. Engage your core and pump your arms to increase intensity. Tip: high knees are fantastic for activating your lower body and core, while skyrocketing your heart rate. Remember, the faster, the better. Exercise 2. Jumping jacks. Jump your feet out wide while bringing your arms overhead, then back together. Keep the pace fast and light. Tip: jumping jacks target multiple muscle groups at once: legs, arms, and core, making them an essential cardio movie. Exercise 3. Running plank. Drop into a plank position and alternate driving your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Keep your hips steady for better form. Tip: running planks engage your core and shoulders, giving you a full body burn. Stay strong through every rep. Exercise 4. Butt kickers. Stand tall and jog in place, kicking your heels up to touch your glutes with each step. Move quickly, but stay light on your feet. Tip: butt kickers are great for your hamstrings, making them stronger and more flexible with each kick. Take a 30-second breather, GlowFit fam. Use this time to hydrate and reset. Sprinting pushes your heart rate to the max, which helps torch calories and boosts your metabolism. Stage 2. Maintain 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now it's time to maintain. This stage is about finding a steady pace to keep your heart rate elevated without overexertion. Each exercise lasts 30 seconds at a moderate speed. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Run in place. Jog in place, keeping your movements controlled. Focus on landing softly to avoid impact. Tip: by keeping the pace steady, you're building endurance and training your body to sustain energy. Exercise 2, jumping jacks. Perform jumping jacks with measured movements. Focus on smooth coordination of arms and legs. Tip: this moderate pace is perfect for stamina building while allowing your body to recover slightly from the intense sprint stage. Exercise 3, running plank. Return to a plank position and perform knee drives at a moderate tempo. Keep your movements controlled. Tip: this stage improves your core endurance, which is crucial for overall stability and strength. Exercise 4, butt kickers. Jog in place, gently kicking your heels to your glutes. Keep the motion light and relaxed. Tip: butt kickers at a moderate pace stretch your hamstrings while still engaging your lower body. Take another 30 seconds to rest. The maintained stage helps your body adjust while keeping up a good rhythm for calorie burning. Stage 3, endure 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're in the final stretch endure. Slow things down, but don't stop. This stage is all about control, helping you cool down while staying active. Each exercise lasts 30 seconds, performed at a slower pace. Exercise 1, run in place. Jog in place at a gentle tempo. Focus on smooth, steady movements. Tip: this slower pace helps your heart rate gradually decrease while still burning calories. Exercise 2, jumping jacks. Perform jumping jacks slowly and deliberately. Concentrate on each movement. Tip: this stage emphasizes control, reducing the risk of injury and improving coordination. Exercise 3, running plank. Back to plank position. Drive your knees forward at a slow, steady pace. Tip: engaging your core at a slower tempo builds strength and improves posture. Exercise 4, butt kickers. Jog in place with gentle heel kicks toward your glutes. Keep a steady rhythm. Tip: this final exercise is like a moving stretch, helping loosen your muscles while wrapping up the session. Take a final 30-second rest. Amazing work today, GlowFit fam! The Endure stage allows your body to recover while still staying active. Each stage today played a vital role in maximizing your cardio session. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Congratulations on completing day 4. Remember, cardio is a cornerstone of fitness, improving your endurance, burning calories, and energizing your day. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more workouts, and share your progress in the comments below. Let's keep glowing and growing together. See you tomorrow for day 5.